would like to request actually our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Gurmeet Singh Ji, and we do not have actually two of our directors, Professor Balakrishnan Ji and Professor Rajiv Jain Ji, who are actually busy with some other assignment. And we have actually Professor Amrit Ji is the registrar, and Professor Lazar Ji. And then also we are missing Professor Chandrasekhar Rao, who was instrumental in going and inspecting that, and Professor Malabika Ji also. These two members, we all three went actually inspected this institution. They are missing. And then actually our the Professor Subramania Raji. And my own colleagues, Commander Rajkumar, who is DR Deputy this one DD, and also Dr. Arvind Gupta, who is AD, and also my faculty members, Dr. Punita, Dr. Nizam, Dr. Umasri, and also all my other colleagues from DDE, plus other faculty members. The most importantly, the signing the college from actually is Father Amar Rao, rector this Laila Academy, who could not make it, and the members who are present here actually Father Dr. Joji Reddy Garu, Principal Laila Academy, and Father Anand, Vice Principal PG College Laila Academy. They both are actually here present, of course. The most important persons whom actually I would like to remember is actually Dr. Rajia, who is instrumental actually in connecting the Loyola Academy and Pondicherry University. I would like to thank him actually for establishing the contact between the Loyola Academy and actually Pondicherry University. And my colleagues, the students and other faculty members who are present here, and I thank you for witnessing the MOU sign of between the Pondicherry University and Loyola Academy. These spinning programs we have been running actually for the past many years. We have signed actually good number of actually institutions. 11 institutions are actually very active now. And we have actually more than 7,000 students actually we are getting educated through these twinning institutions, of course. And it is one of the very successful programs. Most probably it is the only one program the entire country is going very well, of course. And it is in this the context actually I would like to request our Honorable Vice Chancellor to say a few words. Then we will do the MOU signing ceremony.
Thank you very much, Professor Ramaiah. Professor Amresh, our registrar, Professor Lazar, our FO, Professor Subramanian Raju, Professor Ramaiah, who is the director of DD, and Dr. Joji Reddy from the Loyola Academy, and all other colleagues, Professor Tirupati Rao, Dinkar Rao. We have 3 Raos, so sometimes with mass you get confused. So Professor Dinkar Rao and all other friends who are here, and these youngsters who have helped in our National Institute of Advanced Studies in bringing out the 150th issue. As I said, weekly issue they are bringing out, it's very laudable. And all other team members, Dr. Arvind Gupta is here, and our DR DD, Lieutenant Commander Rajkumar and all other officials. I think it's a very wonderful occasion because if you look at the graph of our DD, it was very good, but then it started dwindling and moving, following a downtrend, which was not a very encouraging act. And then, I do not know for whatever reasons, our Supreme Court gave a ruling that all these institutes have to be assessed again. And under that, when it came to us, probably we did not put our viewpoint very clearly, and we didn't give our statistics the way we should have done it. And for that reason we missed that date, and probably for a year or so, this had to be stopped. But then ultimately, when we put across what we have in the right perspective, and the numbers that we gave, and the plus points that we have, which other universities do not have, they realized that this action that they did was not a very appreciable one, and immediately that was rectified at the end of UGC as well as at the end of AICT. So subsequently, to come to the point straight away, all that was approved without any rider, that whatever number of students we wish to have, we can have it. Our training program was very successfully going on with certain number of colleges. in Chennai as well as in other places. And we signed one with Loyola College also 2 years back, which proved to be a good success. So since everything, we have all the approvals, I thought why don't we go in a big way and start signing MOUs with as many as we can. So under that, I think this Loyola College of in Hyderabad, we signed one, and this Loyola Academy, which gives degrees and PG degrees to some students, we thought with them also we will sign one MOU. So this is a step in that direction, that today we are signing an MOU with Loyola Academy, degree and PG colleges both they take care of. At Secunderabad they are situated, and we are signing this with them so that the students who are for some reasons have not been able to get into the regular mode would be able to get the benefits of this distance mode education, and they will be able to join hands with us, wherein we will be able to provide them the much needed support for them in getting their degrees, which somehow they would have missed earlier on. I have always maintained that this distance education mode, or ODL, or whatever way you put it, is a great force for our country. If you have to educate and if you have to bring the youngsters to a desired level, I think this is one force we have to reckon with, we have to appreciate, because many of our students are not able to get into the regular mode for a variety of reasons. It could be family reasons, it could be financial reasons, it could be conventional reasons or societal reasons. Wherever they are, at times they are not able to join in. And so if we look at them, one part that they would always be cursing is that they were not able to do this particular degree which one of their desires was, but then somehow they could not fulfill. And one side would be that we allow them to continue in whatever kind of depression they are in. And second would be that we come out with something which would be a great help to our youngsters or to those who have not been able to follow whatever they wanted to. So this mode is one such wherein anybody and everybody can get admitted, and the quality education that we give it to our regular student, same kind of an education is provided through this mode also. So this, the issue that I said, rather than allowing a youngster to be in depression that for some reasons one could not get the degree, they would be able to overcome that and join our programs. We have programs in practically all streams related to undergraduation and post-graduation, and the much sought after course like MBA in various disciplines, marketing, human resources, financial management, you name, we have it. And we recently had the approval of about 12 courses in this area. So whatever course one would be interested in, one will be able to take admission and follow this. And let me tell you, when you do a course here with us, because we are known for providing very serious education, our syllabus, if anybody looks at it, would immediately come out with a comment that, well, this is a very ambitious syllabus Pondicherry University follows. Rigorous teaching is done, and same mode, same syllabus, same kind of teaching would be given to these distance education mode students also. And the salient feature which I want to highlight is that once anybody who comes with a degree from our institution is looked by society in a very high esteem. That, well, here is a student from Pondicherry, he must have gone through the rigors of right kind of education, right kind of syllabus, right kind of training, and when one goes in for any kind of placement with this degree, armed with this degree, one always has a better chance as compared to the one who comes from some other area and some other source. So therefore, I am of the firm view that this particular MOU would provide an opportunity for students who are from this area of Hyderabad and in and around to follow their aims, follow their pursuits, their endeavors, their desires, which they had, which they nursed in their minds that they wanted to do. Some MBA from a good university would be fulfilled in the right manner. and they ultimately, after doing this, would be able to get good placement. To begin with, the placement which is given to our students is on an average level, let me tell you. But what we have seen, and the statistics will prove it, after a span of about 5 years, when you are into some job which you begin, you are able to rise in your own institution or office or the kind of job you join in, you move up the ladder. And I have seen, at least because I've been attending most of the alumni meetings of these courses, they have done very well. And in a span of 10 years, I have seen many rising to number 2 or number 3 positions in their companies. Many multinational companies are coming over in areas like Chennai, Hyderabad, Bangalore. These are known. So if youngsters can pick up degrees through our distance mode, it will be a big support to them and it will go a long way in getting a good place, good placement wherever they try, and it will be great help to them. Not only to them, it will be a great help to their families, and through their families, when we extend it further to the society in and around, and then obviously to our nation. So it's a wonderful endeavor, and I appreciate the efforts of our Director DD and Dr. Reddy and all his team members, that they have taken this initiative. This MOU will go a long way for the students there, as well as for the teachers here, that they'll be able to get a good exercise in terms of bringing in new style, new pattern, new syllabus, new areas of management into this, and this will move in the right direction, and our university will also gain, and I'm sure they will also gain. It's a thing of mutual benefit to both of us. We had training programs with Guru Nanak College, we had training programs with Loyola College, Chennai, and certain other colleges. They are running very successfully, and they also get rich benefits out of this, obviously for students too. And the same, I'm sure, will be extended to our institutes here. So I wish the MOU a grand thundering success, as I said, for the earlier one. And let's hope that we are able to embark on a journey which will be beneficial to both of us. Thank you so very much, and I wish all the success.
Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Gurmeet Garu, respected Registrar Amrish Garu, Professor Ramay Garu, Professor Lazar Garu, dear professors, dear students from Bangalore, NAESA. Good morning to each and every one of you. In fact, we have a long-standing relationship with Pondicherry University. Earlier, we had almost a decade of service. We had established our relationship with distant mode education with Pondicherry University. And now again, we are reinventing this in one way by activating our twinning program with Pondicherry University. We are very happy to announce that this program is going to be one of the successful one. We have around, in Loyola Academy, we have around 33 disciplines, and almost more than 6,000 students in Loyola Academy. And you know very well, we have in India, these institutions are run by Jesuit fathers. We have around 67 higher education institutions, and one among them you mentioned is Loyola Chennai, and St. Joseph's Bangalore also is our institution. And we have XLRI, Jamshedpur, and we have, among these, 4 universities are there. And we are also moving towards a university, state university. Most probably by next year, we will be envisaging that. And we are really grateful for inviting us to take up this twinning program with Pondicherry University. And definitely, as you just now spoke, Honorable Vice Chancellor, we will be abiding to the terms and conditions that Pondicherry University has laid along with the trust on Loyola Academy, and we will be definitely doing what we can. Thank you for giving this opportunity, and particularly Professor Ramaya Garu, who visited our university, our college 3 times, and he has inspired us a lot. Definitely with his honesty and simplicity. And thanks a lot, Professor Ramaya Garu, for visiting and for making it a successful one. Thanks a lot. God bless you.
Thank you. Wonderful.